Hello everyone. In today's class, we are going to discuss one of the topic from power generation. This is the solar radiation unit. This topic is from solar radiation unit and measurement of solar radiation. And we are going to study one of the topic from measurement of solar radiation, that is pyranometer. As we are already discussed that what are the different type of radiation, and today we are going to discuss about the pyranometer. So the pyranometer is an instrument which measures either global or diffusion radiation over a hemispherical field of view. Basically, the pyranometer consists of a black surface which heats up when exposed to the solar radiation. So its temperature increases until the rate of heat gained by solar radiation equals the rate of loss by convection, conduction and re-radiation. The hot junction of a thermopile are attached. The hot junction of the thermopile are attached to the black surface, while the cold junction are located in such a way that they do not receive the radiation. So as a result, an EMF is generated. This EMF, which is usually in the range of 0 to 10 millivolt, can be recorded or integrated over a period of time, and is measured of the globe of the global radiation. So this is the typical pyranometer photo, and there are different type of pyranometers, the most common being those in which sensors are composed of thermopile or photovoltaic cells. The photovoltaic sensors are in general much less precise than the thermopiles due to the fact that the spectral response is not the same in the entire solar radiation spectrum. And here it shows the pyranometer installment photos, you can see here. So these two curves shows the global radiation on a horizontal surface. The first curve shows when the uh, sky is almost clear, and this curve is almost similar, smooth, and another curve shows the when the sky is cloudy, and this curve shows the solar radiation reading from morning to evening. And here it, we can see that on solar noon the reading is maximum.